Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. So today we will talk about Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Let's start the video. This phone body weight is 236 gram, carbon fiber body with dust water resistant. This phone display is 8.03 inch foldable. LTPI AMOLED 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR 10 plus, and this phone resolution is 2200 x 2480 pixel. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. This phone memory is 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. OS Android 14, FunTouch 14. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.7 aperture. This phone ultra wide angle is 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Telephoto 64 megapixel 2.6 aperture. And this phone front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. So let's talk about this phone video capture capability. So rear camera can capture 8K with 30 fps, 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps, and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. This phone battery is 5700 mAh with 100-watt wired charging system. So if you're looking for a good battery backup phone, then you can go with this phone. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, fingerprint reader, and a good sound system. So that was the video, and we'll see you in the next video.